How many rules? How many rules were written?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Tell me how many rules we had already written. Written 10th B. Tell me, this was written or not? Tenth B. How many rules we have written? Dhananjay, you are very sincere about writing. How many rules have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
How many rules have we written? Class 10th
Ma'am,
B.
7. Ma'am, 7.
How many rules we have written? Tell me which is the last one I wrote.
Ma'am, and the subject are joined by person. The verb agree with the nearest.
Okay, we have done till the 7th. We need to do this one. This is very interesting rule. Samjho. When we have in a sentence first person, second person, and third person, all the three persons are there. First, understand first person means I, me. Second person is you, and rest everybody is the third person. Tell me, children, who is the first person? I and I and me. Suppose you get a treasure, तो सबसे पहले किसके बारे में सोचोगे? एक खजाना मिल गया आपको. You want to think about yourself ना
I.
पहले.
अपने बारे में.
I and me. And फिर अगर कोई सामने है तो उसको थोड़ा सा दे देंगे. That means you. So who is the second person? You.
You.
Ma'am, he.
Children, speak out. Who is the first person in English?
I. You.
You.
And rest
You.
he, she, it, they, Rahul, Mohan, Geeta, they are all third person. So supposing in a sentence you have all the three person, first person, second person, third person, then arrange them in this sequence, second, third, and first. First, सबसे पहले you will have to take which person?
First.
First person. No, it is 2, 3, 1. 2, 3.
Second person.
Second person. And then third person. And last we will take as the first person. For example, Rahul, you and I. Now see the sequence. Is it correct or is it wrong? Rahul, you and I will go.
Ma'am, wrong.
It is wrong. Tell me what is the correct one.
You, Rahul, I.
You and
Okay. Mohan, you, I. Is it correct?
No.
Oh,
No.
ma'am.
Put it in the proper order.
You,
Mohan, and I.
Mohan and I.
Perfect. You, Mohan, and I. So the rule is 2-3-1. Now listen. When there are nouns or pronouns of different persons and they are joined by or, nor, either, or, neither, nor, arrange them according to 2-3-1. Arrange them according to which form? 2-3-1. Speak out the formula, children.
2, 3, 1.
2, 3, 1.
Means second person, then third person, and then the first person. And put the verb according to the nearest subject. Obviously, the nearest subject will be one only because this comes in the last. Did everyone understand this formula of 2-3-1, this rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Take this as rule number 8. You will make this rule as rule number.
Yes.
This is rule number 8. Make it which rule number?
Ma'am, can you show me the fourth rule?
Just 1 second. Anybody in the waiting room? Yes, Akansha Yadav and Abhinav. Let me admit them.
Ma'am,
See the rule. I think this must be the fourth one you must have taken.
yes, ma'am.
You can see the fourth one. He's seeing the fourth one, children. When two subjects are joined by as well as the verb agrees in number and person with the first one. Written, the fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we are going to write rule number. What is this rule number?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
8.
8.
Please write down this rule number. Have you all understood? Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
formula? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is correct.
Oh, ma'am. 2, 3, 1.
2, 3.
Ma'am, 2,
Very,
3, 1.
very good. Beta. Start. Chalo. Write down the rule quickly and raise your hand so that I know how many of you have written. जल्दी लिखिएगा. Hurry up, let me know once you finish writing, children.
Ma'am, done.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Is there anyone who is still doing?
We have to write the notes.
You have to write the rule, beta.
Okay.
Let's wait for him, beta. Let him also write. Let everybody finish. I hope everybody has understood the rule.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Anyone in the class who wants me to wait? No? That means everyone has done. Very good. So everyone has done. We can move on to the next rule. Rule number 9. What is the next rule? Rule number 9, beta. Chalo, let me show this to rule. A singular
Ma'am,
verb
when
follows. Rule number 9 now. Let's do this. Whenever we have these words, many, each, every, everyone, anybody, either, neither, no one, nobody. First word is these words. Okay. Then the verb should always be singular. See, beta, many a boy, the verb is has, singular verb. Either has. Everyone is. Each is. Neither was. Means if out of all these words, which words? Speak out. Many a, each. What are these words? Speak.
Everyone, anybody, either,
everyone,
neither,
everybody,
no
either,
one, nobody
neither,
else.
no one, and nobody.
If
And
these are the
else.
first words, very good. If these are the first words in a sentence, then always take your verb as singular or plural.
Ma'am, plural.
No.
Ma'am,
See over
singular.
there, singular. See, beta, it is taken is, was, not are and were. That means the verb is singular or plural? Is and was.
Singular.
Ma'am, singular.
So the rule is, if you have these words, then with these words, the verb is always singular or plural, children?
Ma'am, singular.
Singular. Did you understand this
Singular.
rule? Or should I explain it to you once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
देखो बेटा,
ma'am.
let me tell you in Hindi. अगर कोई भी सेंटेंस इन वर्ड्स के साथ स्टार्ट होता है, ये वर्ड्स कौन से वर्ड्स? Many, either, everyone, each, neither. If these are the first words, then you should always take the verb as a singular. देखो यहाँ पे we have taken singular. We have taken is, not are. Here also we have taken is, not are. Has, not have. Was, not were. So अगर ये वाले words हैं starting में sentence के, तो verb singular होगा, plural होगा.
Singular.
So singular.
Did you understand the rule now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
बेटा
ma'am.
जिसमें भी s होता है ना, वो सब singular verbs होते हैं. Has, tell me, has and have में which one is singular?
Ma'am has.
Okay. Is and are, which is singular?
Ma'am, is.
Ma'am is.
Was and were, which is singular?
Ma'am was.
Was.
So wherever you have an s, that is a singular verb. Is the rule clear now?
Yes,
Please write
Yes,
down
ma'am.
rule number 9. Good. Write down rule number 9 very quickly. Good children. Right. Rule number 9. And once you finish writing, keep telling that we have done. Let me know once you're done. Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Yes. Whoever finishes, let me know. Finish writing, beta.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. I'll wait for 1 minute for others. Just 1 minute more. Yes, all of you have finished? Or should I wait? Tenth
Ma'am,
B,
please wait
have
a
you?
minute.
I'll wait. No issues at all. I'm absolutely okay. I'll wait. Once you all finish, only then I'll move.
Ma'am, done.
Is everyone done? Should we move further?
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Okay, now I'm
Yes,
asking
ma'am.
the entire class. Everybody is okay if I start with the next rule?
Yes, ma'am.
This is going to be which rule number?
Rule number 10.
This is going to be rule number 10 now.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have written ninth rule. Ninth rule, we had some words. If we have these words, then the verb is always singular or plural?
Ma'am,
Singular. The verb is always
Singular.
singular. Let me explain the 10th rule. Wherever you have nouns, each, every, okay, although connected by and they require a singular verb. Simple. Wherever you have words, each and every, the verb is singular. In short, if I explain the rule. Wherever, like if I say each boy in this class dash intelligent, is or are?
Is.
is.
Every girl dash nice, was or were?
Was.
Was.
So wherever you have words, you can write in your own words also the rule. Wherever you have words, each and every, the verb is always
Singular.
Singular.
girl in the class dash present. Is present or are present?
Is.
Is.
Yes.
So wherever you have words, each and every, the verb is always
Singular.
Singular.
very good. This is a simple rule. Please note down rule number 10. As you finish writing, let me know.
I've done.
Only one child said done. What about others?
I'm done.
I'm done.
Okay, now two of them. Is there anyone who is writing and wants me to wait? I can wait. I'm absolutely okay. I think everybody has written, no? Let's move on to the next rule. This is a difficult topic. Listen, beta. Some nouns which are plural in form, they look as if they are plural, but they take a singular verb. I've done this in classes with you. Mathematics is a difficult subject. Civics is a difficult subject. Physics, measles, politics, statistics, ethics, all of them have they are plural because whenever we have S, we feel that the subject is plural. Boy, boys, girl, girls. So जब भी S लग जाता है, we feel it is plural. But remember, they are not plural, they are singular. So the verb should also be singular or plural?
Singular. Singular.
Singular.
Mathematics are a difficult subject or is a difficult subject?
Is.
And is.
Because we say S is there, so it looks to be singular. Understood this rule? This is very easy. Politics
Yes, ma'am.
is a dirty game or are a dirty game?
Is.
Is.
So although we have S after these words, physics, mathematics, civics, measles is a disease, but that does not mean that we are going to use a plural verb. Which kind of a verb you will use with them? Singular or plural?
Plural.
Singular verb. Very good. Write down this rule quickly. I think this is the last rule we can do today. Last one we'll do, then we'll revise. Write down the last rule for today.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, Rita, let's wait a minute for others. Done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
We still have 10 minutes, so we can do one more rule, beta. We have 10 minutes, a very simple one. Collective noun always takes a singular verb. We have done this now. Collective noun takes a singular verb. Is it okay? The Indian army is strong or are strong?
Is.
Ma'am is strong.
Class 10th B is good or are good?
Is.
Yes. Because army is a collective noun. 10th B is again a collective noun. So whenever you have collective nouns, the verb is
Are is
singular
used.
or plural? Tell me, whenever there is a collective noun, the verb is singular or plural?
Singular.
Yes, it is singular. Give me more example. The Indian cricket team is good or are good?
Is.
Ma'am is.
Because team is a collective noun. Can you give me examples? Collective nouns, singular verbs. Come on. Give me examples, children. Collective nouns taking a singular verb. Start. Give me example. I'm waiting. Tell me.
Ma'am, the pride or
Yes, try. Good. Try.
Ma'am,
Yes.
a troop of military men reached the border.
Very good. A troop of military men. Fine. Troop is a collective noun. A flock of sheep is grazing or are grazing?
Ma'am
is.
is.
Is grazing. I hope you've understood the rule.
Yes,
Collective
ma'am.
nouns.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Collective nouns take which verbs?
Singular.
Ma'am singular.
So write the rule and also write one example. Any one example. Write it quickly. Finish writing quickly.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. One child says done. What example have you written? Tell
Ma'am
me.
done.
Tell me examples that you have written, both of you. I told you to write example also with this tool, no? Speak out what examples you've written. Tell me.
And the pride of lion is too stronger than the tiger.
Very good. The pride of lion. It's a collective noun. Good. Yes, beta. You also tell me. You already finished writing. What example did you take? Everybody has to write an example with this rule. Tell me what example? What happened? Why not speaking? Hari, where is that child? He said,
Ma'am, may I
Ma'am,
have a second?
I have one example.
speak. Speak, beta.
Ma'am, BSP is a bunch of group.
I could not understand. Just speak again. Speak once again.
Ma'am, may I tell my second?
Yes, Peter. You tell by the time others are planning. Speak.
Ma'am, the orcas is intelligent than the whales.
Very good. Too good. You've got good collective nouns today. Yes, my children. Can I have examples from you for collective nouns? More of them. Speak, Peter. Without examples, how will you understand the rules like this? I've got 2 examples from Dhananjay. I want more examples from more people. Yes. Okay, give me examples of collective nouns. Forget about the sentence. Just tell me collective nouns. Forget about the sentence.
Bike,
Give me collective nouns.
bike of bees,
Very good.
gang
Very
of
good.
musician, and
Very
gang of musician,
Yes, good. Give me more examples.
ma'am, flock of birds,
Very good. Very good.
pack of hounds, ma'am, bunch of keys. Ma'am, I have a sentence.
Yes, Peter, tell me.
A bunch of keys is lying over there on the table.
Yes, yes. See, I
Madam,
hope you
ma'am,
understand. Ah, Beta, tell. Tell.
the family is driving across the country.
Very good. Family. Very nice. Family is a collective noun. Too good. So, because it's a collective noun, which verb did you use? Singular or plural?
Ma'am, singular is.
Yes. Very nice.
Ma'am,
So, I hope the rule is clear to
Yes,
everyone.
yes, ma'am.
It
yes,
says
ma'am.
whenever there is a collective noun, the verb is
Singular.
Singular.
You've given me so many examples of collective nouns. And we saw that in all cases, the verb was always
Singular
singular.
formation.
Singular.
Done with the rules. How many rules did we do today? Just 1 minute left for the class. Please post your work. Just 1 minute is left. Please post your work. I'll go back to the group and check how many of you have posted. Hurry up, beta. I'll go back to the group. Start posting your work. Please write your name also when you post.